Welcome to today's fast and packed video, which is called S&P 500 picked a fresh direction, and it's exactly in line with what I had been cautioning you clients exactly more than 24 hours ago. So let's dive into the charts, but not before I highlight a few things regarding the ongoing tariff war. As you can see from my tweets, the momentum is clearly not yet building towards the de-escalation direction. So take that in mind, just as much as me saying that there is very clearly no Powell or Trump put underneath stocks, and they are certainly trading like that. Such has been the situation yesterday pre-market when I recorded the video over 6 hours before the US opening bell. Today I'm recording as usual 2 hours, 1 hour before that, so take that into account. Right now this is the hourly chart, and following yesterday's downswing, which all clients, be it swing or intraday ones, have capitalized on greatly, we had seen an aftermarket pump. You had seen me tweeting that I had issued an important update for swing trading clients. Intraday ones are likewise in the picture, and you can clearly see that kind of stocks are having trouble pushing higher, which is a little surprising. Once again, I talked that well over 24 hours ago. I will be linking to several videos for you to review exactly the reasoning why, so that you can benefit next time if you did not already benefit the way clients did. Such is the daily chart. I had been saying that stocks are on the verge of being rejected and rolling over to the downside, and I supported that for clients with market breadth mentions exactly various percentages of stocks trading above various periods of moving averages, which is exactly what we are seeing, and even some pickup in volume. However, the lower note, is it convincing, is it not? Again, I have shared my conclusions intermarket and based on the sectoral performance with clients already. You remember as well this triangle in the making when it comes to my best favored, most favored volatility metric out there. And right now in the triangle in the making, we are ready to move somewhat to the upside. So guess what that is going to mean for equities today when we see these ratios and in both individual volatility metrics after the opening bell. They will be already kind of reflecting that, and that's the greatest benefit of my services, so that you catch the move at a very opportune entry point and are positioned within the context of current market for the move to unfold. And I've been saying quite lately that the tariff headline news is now starting to lean towards the negative end, and we saw some more evidence in Nvidia. Before there had been ASML earnings with a miss, and it had quite predictable consequences beyond tech itself. You can see here in the yields that okay, they are coming down and retreating somewhat, but does it instill much confidence as being reflected in the US dollar? That's not exactly the case, and it has very valid reasons. So let's revisit the areas where clients could make money on the long side, and they of course did, which is gold. And now we are seeing a bit of a pre-market consolidation after yet another great day yesterday, and silver is kind of following, more basing, more guarded, which is quite understandable given the global growth varies, global recession varies through tariffs and how fast they are changing. And you sure have not missed me covering Southeast Asian alliance building when it comes to China. And at the beginning of this video I had mentioned the US desire to limit allies' trade with China, which exactly is not really soothing the global growth jitters, is it? Bitcoin going sideways. Of course, it was not boosted by the hawkish messaging of Powell yesterday. I did not expect him to relent just yet either, which is the same story as with his prior appearance. So, thus far, this is going sideways because for now it's rather gold than Bitcoin that is the safe haven asset to benefit from the bid and overall uncertainty and the way those two competing camps are interacting. So much for the cross-asset perspective. Make sure to review my offer on the joint page. Intraday channel with quality daily analytics combo is the go-to selection based on the markets that you trade. You know my story and obligatory disclaimer, and let's talk soon.